this tea needed a little bit extra attentions. The water temperature and also the quantity and the brewing. But the good news is, because it's first picked after winter, so the tea is not very strong bitterness. It does have a mild bitterness and stringency. Astringency and the mild bitterness are the characters for XinYang MaoJian. The temperature, yes, I will reduce it to about 70, 80 degrees. The water being boiled, don't use it right away. Let the water cooling down, coming down, not cooling down, but coming down a little bit. So I filled it up. The glass is about 1/3. Then I can put the leaves in there. As you can see that the water content in these tea leaves is still pretty rich, because this year's picking, okay? And the funny thing is, this leaf is so gentle and so small, so fine. So you will see the leaves immediately falling to the bottoms. The green tea with this kind of character tells us one thing. Bitterness will be one of the character we will not surprisingly to discover. But the bitterness is not unpleasant bitterness. Actually, it's a dissolvable, expandable, dry bitterness. Reducing the temperature of the water, you see, the color of the tea is more clean, clear, okay, instead of creamy like yesterday. And instead of putting the water right in the middle of it, I will use at the side. So let the tea leaves rolling very finely in the glass. Why we don't try to avoid to putting the water directly on the green tea? Because it was like reduce the stress energy to the leaves. In this case, the tea will be very gently rolling in the water to make, when we make tea leaves comfortable, and the flavor and taste will become more soft and pleasant to return as well. The color is greenish, yellowish. And the flavor is much pleasant than yesterday. Much, much different. The difference is so big. If you like green tea, really give you some greenish flavor, but the pleasant and gentle mixture of both, this is the tea I will recommend.